Whenever things are worst in your life, you will improve and change the situations around you for the better. Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in this English speaking journey, it's very important to keep motivate ourselves because without motivation, without any inspiration, we can't learn any big thing in our life. So try to keep motivate yourself. So in today's video I'm going to tell you a motivational story which will help you to improve your English. Not only improve your English but also it will give you motivation. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time, a son is struggling in his career, complained to his father that his life was miserable and he did not know how he was going to make it. He was tired of fighting and struggling all the time. It seemed just as one problem was solved, another one soon followed. His father, who was a chef, took him to the kitchen. He filled 3 pots with water and placed each one on a high fire. Once the 3 pots began to boil, he placed potato in one pot and eggs in the second pot and coffee beans in the third one pot. Okay. Then he let them sit and boiled without saying a word to his son. The boy moaned and impatiently waited, wondering what he was doing. After 20 minutes, he turned off the burners. He took the potatoes out of the pot and placed them in a bowl. Then he took the eggs out and placed them too in a bowl. Then he ladled the coffee out and placed it in a cup. Then he turned to his son and asked, "What do you see?" The son hastily replied, "Father, it is potatoes, eggs and coffee." "Now look closer and touch the potatoes," father said to his son. Son did and noted that the potatoes were, soft. Then father asked him to take an egg and break it. After pulling out the shell, the boy observed that the eggs became hard after boiling. Finally, the father asked him to sip a coffee. So sip the coffee. The boy sipped the coffee. Its rich aroma brought a smile. Then he asked father, "What does this mean?" The father explained, "You see, my son, the potatoes, the eggs, the coffee beans had each faced the same adversity, the boiling water. However, each one reacted differently. The potatoes went in strong and hard, but in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The eggs were fragile and liquid from inside until they were put in the boiling water. Then the inside of the eggs became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. Now tell me which one you are." He asked his son, "When adversity knocks on your doors, how do you respond? Are you like potatoes that seems strong, but with pain and adversity you grow soft and lose strength? Or are you like the eggs that starts with a gentle heart, but after facing problems they become hard and frustrated? Or are you like the coffee beans which actually change the hot water and turns into something wonderful? If you are like the coffee beans that whenever things are worst in your life, you will improve and change the situations around you for the better." So this is a story Okay, if we see in our life, so we will find that what happened when one problem comes in our life, so we feel okay, why it is happening with me, why I can't learn this language, why English is so much important, so much difficult. You are always blaming yourself. Okay, you are blaming your atmosphere, you are blaming that, okay, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, so because of this reason I can't learn this language. You are not facing, you are not struggling with your problems. Okay, you just you are a warrior, like when one obstacle come into you, you just try to pick all the strength and power. Don't do that. You have to stand in front of your obstacles and face them. And once you face them, then you will be master in English, you will be fluent in English. You have to face first your problem, because no pain no gain. Okay, without having any pain you can't learn any new week, you can't learn any new skill. So for this, for the gain, you have to first face your pain. And when the light of gain, after some time the light of gain will overcome the pain, darkness of your pain. Okay, but first we have to face your pain, you have to give some effort to learn this language. So please start to speak in English. It's a wonderful it's a wonderful language. Okay, and don't give up when one obstacle comes in your path. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.